Coming up on today's episode of Airborne Unlimited, Sonex shares newest aircraft designs. Also, Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta breaks world record, and Midwest LSA Expo on schedule. Happy Friday, everybody. We got a packed episode ahead of the weekend, so let's go ahead and start with Sonex Aircraft presents its newest kit aircraft design, Sonex Aircraft High Wing. The aircraft will be available in both conventional tail and wide-tail models. Additionally, 4 model options are available between tail and gear configuration options. The aircraft is set to display at Oshkosh 2023, which is when the company will be taking orders. The aircraft will not be a backcountry airplane and will take after the current Sonex aircraft fleet, carrying on the mission for fun, local flying, aerobatics, and fuel-efficient cross countries. Sonex High Wing will feature doors that offer a 44-inch cockpit width, and the shape of the high wing cabin configuration allows more headroom. There will be a standard Sonex Aircraft B model 20 gallons, rotationally molded fuel cell that includes an option for 10 gallons of additional fuel in the inboard wings. The aircraft will have a max gross weight with utility category limit load factors of 1,320 pounds, with an estimated empty weight of 720 pounds. The aircraft will be light sport eligible and aerobatic when flown solo with a gross weight at or under 1,050 pounds. The aircraft will be designed for engines 100 horsepower or greater with a maximum firewall forward insulation weight of 200 pounds. After the break, Piedmont pilots sign new working agreement. Those details after these messages.
If it looks good, it usually flies good. The Bristol series of aircraft is proof of that. Furthering their legacy of safety and efficiency, Bristol is proud to feature the Rotax 915 IS Turbo in the current lineup of aircraft. The 915 IS Turbo power plant offers more power than ever before in a light sport aircraft. Learn more about Bristol at www.sportflyingusa.com.
When adventure is calling, the Bori by Aero Volga is the plane you need to answer the call. Bori's composite design is simple, reliable, and economical, with impressive performance and no gimmicks. Designed for the wilderness and proven durability in a flight around the Arctic Circle, the Bori has what it takes to handle your next adventure. Featuring 2 large cargo compartments, a comfortable modern cockpit, and a Rotax 912 power plant, the Bori Amphibian is now available in Canada. Experience the Bori for yourself at flightsimple.com.
At Diamond Aircraft, innovation is in our DNA. Whether you're taking to the skies for training or business travel, every aircraft in Diamond's lineup features innovative technology, an industry-leading safety record, superior performance and efficiency, and a comfortable flying experience. No other company has pioneered as many aviation firsts, achieved more milestones, or received the same amount of industry praise as Diamond. Discover why Diamond Aircraft is one of the most trusted manufacturers in aviation at diamondaircraft.com.
Welcome back. With so much news coming out of the aviation industry, we're going to be summarizing some other interesting stories in a brief segment we call Around the Patch. So let's go ahead and start with Piedmont pilots sign new working agreement. Piedmont airline pilots are reporting a tentative new agreement that would provide unprecedented benefits for all new hire and current pilots employed at the airline, a regional carrier for American Airlines. As our industry works to address some of the challenges that have emerged since the pandemic, Piedmont pilots felt it was time for some creative and innovative ideas to ensure that our airlines was well positioned for future success, said Captain Brandon Lighty, chairman of the Piedmont ALPA Master Executive Council. Virgin Orbit becoming a publicly traded company. Virgin Orbit revealed that they have entered into a definite merger agreement under which they will become a publicly traded company. Upon closing, the transaction is expected to provide the combined company up to $483 million in cash proceeds. Existing Virgin Orbit shareholders will roll 100% of their equity into a combined company. Virgin Orbit's highly differentiated air launch technology enables satellite launches at any time from any place and to any orbit. NBAA promoting owner-pilot Pavilion for NBAA-BACE. Reportedly, for the first time, NBAA-BACE will feature an owner, single-pilot operator pavilion to bring together a key part of the business aviation community in new ways. Owner pilots are not just a key part of the business aviation community, they're innovators, thought leaders, and groundbreaking entrepreneurs, said Andrew Broom, NBAA Senior Vice President for Strategy, Marketing, and Innovation. If you're in the market for a private jet, be prepared to spend more. With an already high price tag, even a small % increase in price for a business jet can raise the purchase price by millions, says analyst Brian Foley. Worldwide business jets hit a peak in sales in 2008, with over 1,300 units delivered, and following the Great Recession, there has only been half that amount delivered for the past 12 years. Following COVID-19, deliveries are at their lowest level since 2004. 2020 marked the year for blowout sales in the pre-owned market, which has continued into 2021. Well, that does it for today's trip around the patch. Now let's return to the rest of the news. A new Guinness World Record was set at Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta for the greatest mass hot air balloon ascent. The world record-setting date was October 6, 2019, with 524 balloons launched. Paul Smith, the executive director of the Balloon Fiesta, shared a bit of history about the event. Following our launch of 1,019 hot air balloons in 2000, the event's leadership agreed that Albuquerque really should be more home for this kind of world record. So we started the process of learning how to document the launches, said Smith. The process to set the new record was quite laborious, and we set it in 2010 with 329 hot air balloons, and then again in 2011 with 345 hot air balloons. Then the event that occurs every other year in France set the record with more than 400 balloons, he continued. Spokesman Tom Garrity said he reached out to Guinness in 2020 to see if the documentation from the 2019 event would be sufficient to claim the record, which has now officially been approved. The 2021 Fiesta will begin on October 2nd and continue for 9 days and include more than 500 hot air balloons, marking its 49th year. After these messages, Midwest LSA Expo on schedule. Those details after the break.
Are you ready to ace your FAA drone pilot knowledge test, get your remote pilot certificate, and start earning money? Well, flying a drone is a great tool that can open up new business opportunities for anyone. Realtor, insurance adjuster, videographer, or commercial weekend drone warrior, you need to fly legally. Whether you're pursuing your initial Part 107 remote pilot certificate or you need a renewal, King Schools has a course just for you. So start learning today at kingschools.com.
Aviation Safety Resources is disrupting the market for aircraft emergency parachute recovery systems. ASR systems are smaller, lighter weight, and offer longer repack cycles than similar products available in the current market. ASR has a recovery system available for every type of aircraft: sport, experimental, light sport, general aviation, urban air mobility, vertical takeoff and landing, electric propulsion, and unmanned aerial systems. Find the right product for your aircraft at aviationsafetyresources.com.
Skyleader Aircraft offers a lineup of the most powerful, durable, and efficient light sport aircraft in the industry. From trainers to roomy cockpits for long hauls, Skyleader has an aircraft for you. And the best part? They're in your budget. Skyleader's base prices are set low to give you room to customize your aircraft to your needs, desires, and wallet, allowing you to put your money where it matters to you most. Visit flyskyleader.com today to learn about our aircraft, customization options, and chat with the team.
Welcome back. Calling all aviators, the Midwest LSA Expo is on. The 13th Annual Midwest LSA Expo will be on Thursday, September 9th through the 11th at Mount Vernon Outland Airport. Midwest LSA Expo Inc. specifically organized the event to sell light sport aircraft, LSA Ancillary Services, and LSA-related services. The free event features many light sport aircraft, including Part 103, STOL, and Gyroplanes, on one easily accessible and demo flight-friendly Flightline. Sit in one or many informative aviation seminars and forums presented by the best in the industry. Midwest LSA Expo Inc. specifically created the event to educate aviators about all the facets related to the LSA industry, including the many different aircraft types, available engines, and LSA performance, promote the sale of LSAs, the use of LSA aircraft for flight training and in rental fleets, and promote economic development in the southern Illinois region. It's all here. It's free admission, free parking, free local shuttles, and free camping. That does it for our show today. I'm your host, Kimberly Kay. You can catch episodes of Airborne on Roku and Fire TV. Just search for Aero-News or Airborne in the directory. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.